All right, Menina, what we got today?
Today we have smart dusk to dawn light bulb. This is Mina from mediaboxentlive Lab. Today we have a smart dusk to dawn light bulb.
Yeah, this is pretty cool. One of the things is the voltage. It works all the way from, it starts from 85 all the way to 265 volts. So it means in many countries in Europe, in Latin America, and you can use these light bulbs, so it works in the whole that range. Another thing too, here says 7 watts, but actually the reading I've been reading, having actually 6.1 watt. This is dusk to dawn, pretty simple. Let's call it this is smart light bulb. I don't know how they keep the sensor. They had it somewhere there, or the photocell, whatever. You have to use some type of photocell, but very genius. It's real nice. What was the color, Menina? Do you remember?
Warm white.
Yes. So it's good for your porch, for your garage, outside your garage, all the lights in the pole. So that will be the reason to use one of these things. So let's try. And for us, we're going to use it right in the garage. So let's try. Let's turn it off the light of the studio. Google, turn off the studio lights. Hey Google, turn off the studio lights.
You got it. Turning 5 lights off.
Okay, and we see now the wattage, 6 watts. So what's good? Let's turn the lights back on. Hey Google, turn on the studio lights on.
Sure. Turning 5 lights on.
That's it. So this is a pack of 2. You can put one and save it when this one goes bad, but I'm sure it will last you a real long time. But it's pretty good if you talk about saving money in electricity, and also keep safe any area in your house or around your house that is dark. To get more information on this light bulb, like always, it will be right below the video. Thank you.